In this video tutorial, I will explore more about non-punch range feature. Let's now click the Image2Punch icon to run the application. Let's open a file called Leave Design. Then we click the Tooling tab and start configuring the parameters. First of all, we will use the laser mode tooling and ensure it is in this mode. Then, click the Select Tools button to set the tooling for this tutorial. In the dialog box, we will use Round tool, and specify the diameter 5.0 mm for the smallest one, and 10 mm for the largest one. We select 4 tools in total. Then click OK. Now, let's configure the sheet size we are going to use. The size will be 1000 mm by 1500 mm, which is about proportionate to the image size. Then click the Generate button. From here, we can see that the holes will covers the entire effective perforated pattern area. However, we do not really want any holes in the white area of the image. In order to achieve this kind of result, we need to tweak the non-punch range parameter. Let's now click the button to open its dialog box. By default, the percentages of non-punch range will be set to 0. This means that the entire effective area will be covered with the holes. In order to ensure that the white area clear from any holes, we need to set up the parameter around 1 or 2%, or perhaps you can adjust and refine as we go. For this tutorial, let's set the parameter into 2%. Then click OK to close the dialog box. Then click the Generate button. And now we can see that the white area of the image has no holes, and we obtain our objective in designing this perforated pattern. This is the end of the video. I am hoping this will provide you a good information.